Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with pretty Miss Sheila running that camera. Hi, Sheila.
Hi.
Today's another one of those quick and easy recipes that everybody's going to love. It's called sweet and sour chicken wings, and I got this recipe from Kroger's. As you know, I talk about Kroger's all the time because they're right up the street, and I'm on their mailing list, and I got this video recipe on how to make this stuff, and it includes cranberry sauce and Mountain Dew, and all kinds of neat stuff. Come on over here. I'll show you how we're going to make it. All right, we got a bag of chicken wings from the store, and even though Sheila don't like the little flat secondary part, I'll give her the drumettes, and I'll eat the other little flatty parts. We rinsed them off, patted them dry with paper towels. We're going to put these aside, and here's what we're going to put in our little bowl here. We're going to put in a 1/4 cup, believe it or not, of cranberry sauce. We're going to put in a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, packed pretty good, 1/4 cup in there. Now, I'm going to do a little measuring here, because I didn't do it before we turned the camera on. I'm going to put in a 1/2 cup, where's the half? There it is, 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Sweet and sour chicken wings. Recipe came from the folks right at Kroger's. All right, 1/2 cup of soy sauce in there. Then, when I seen the recipe and it said Mountain Dew, I thought I got to try it because that sounds good already. And we're going to take a bottle of Mountain Dew and we're going to pour in a 1/2 cup of that. Again, we always put all the ingredients. There we go, 1/2 cup of Mountain Dew in there. And we're going to whisk this together. And we'll put all the ingredients in the description box below because we always do that so you don't have to go to a website to get all of our ingredients. Boy, that just smells good because of the sweet and sour. But cranberry sauce and Mountain Dew on your chicken wings. And what we're going to do here is we're going to pull this over. And I'm going to use the one that's already got the soy sauce in it. Supposed to reserve about a 1/2 cup for basting later on. I won't need quite that much. All right, now we're going to put this in the refrigerator as well overnight. And we're also going to put these chicken wings in the refrigerator overnight. You guys are so lucky because for you, the recipe is like that. It's the next day. We got to wait overnight. But here we go. I'm going to pour this concoction of soy sauce, brown sugar, Mountain Dew, and cranberry sauce. Remember Louis Anderson years ago says he remembered that at Thanksgiving. Everybody would eat all the turkey, eat all the dressing. They'd all be sitting around the TV, and he says his mom would go, "The cranberries." Somebody forgot to get them out. So we're going to put these in here. Soak that juice around. We're going to let this marinate overnight. I'll fold this over and put it in a nice little pan. We'll pop it in the refrigerator. We might turn it halfway through the night or something, just to kind of get both sides real good. And for you, it's going to be like that, but for us, it's going to be tomorrow. Well, wait a minute. Let's go to tomorrow right now. Watch this. It's tomorrow. Just that easy. Wasn't that simple? Just like magic, Sheila. This has been in the refrigerator all night. Now we're going to pour it in a 9x13 pan, and we're going to pour just a little bit of the juice, enough to cover the bottom, which is just about all of it. So, according to the recipe there from Kroger's, they said put it in a 9x13 pan and cover the bottom with enough marinade to cover the bottom of the pan here. And I'm going to use my fingers and get in here. Boy, that just looks really unique the way that's marinated in there, so dark. Isn't that something? I can't wait to see how this turns out. Now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees, and I'll tell you how long once we bring it back. It's ready to go there, and what we're going to do is we're going to bake it for a long time, then we're going to baste it with that little cup that's sitting in the refrigerator of this same marinade, and then we're going to cook it another 10 minutes or something at 400 degrees. We'll tell you all about that when we bring it back. Time to take it to the stove. This is really something unique. Sweet and sour chicken with 7-Up and cranberry sauce, all kinds of stuff in the marinade, just back from the oven. And let me give you the time and temperatures. We first baked it for 1 hour at 350 degrees, basting it with that little cup of marinade that we kept back. Then we cranked it up to 400 degrees for 10 more minutes to just kind of polish them off. Come take a look at this. I would really love to take credit for this recipe, but I got it from Kroger online in their video. Let me taste that. Very unique taste. If you were looking for just a new twist on chicken wings, give this a try. Sweet and sour chicken wings with Mountain Dew and cranberry sauce. I know I probably said that 10 times during the recipe, but I just can't get over it. It really looks and tastes fantastic. While she was moving the camera back there, I tried a little bite of one of these little flat ones on the edge. Wow, I got to tell you, it is absolutely terrific. And I say the little flat ones because I didn't touch any of her little drumettes.
You know not to get them.
She likes the little drumette part. She said she don't like the other what? The wing?
Yeah, the wing.
The little wing part. She don't like the little flat wings. But I'm telling you, they're all super terrific. You're going to love this recipe. And I hope you try all of our recipes. And I hope you subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Share it with all your friends. And subscribing is easy because little Shotgun Red's face is going to pop up over here in just a little bit. When it does, click on it. You'll see subscribe and a check mark. Right next to that, there's a little bell. Highlight that little bell. Click it so it gets a couple little lines. Then they'll notify you every single time we put out a new recipe. We really hope you do that. We're going to put another recipe up over here on the side. It'll pop up. So you can click on it, maybe go take a look at that one too. But is this the best sweet and sour, here we go again, Mountain Dew soy sauce? What else did we put in there? Brown sugar and cranberry sauce chicken wings you ever ate? If it ain't, it ought to be.
I love cranberry.
Did you enjoy the recipe, Sheila?
I did.
And I can't even remember if I said if it ain't, it ought to be. But is this the best of the best of the best? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Say goodnight, Sheila.
Good night, Sheila.
Bye-bye.